Where you going?
Home.
Where's home?
Home, a place where I can go to take this off my shoulders. Someone take me home.
2, 3.
So, my brother, what is your involvement with Mohaladitwe TV, Mohaladitwe radio?
As I said, I'm the one who's been taking videos, editing most of the videos in the channel of Mohaladitwe TV, broadcasting and all of that.
Okay. All right, wonderful. So tell me, what is your goal about? Are you gonna be part of one day maybe become a cameraman or a producer or for some other films? Or what's your goal?
Yeah, my goal is to achieve what my sports that I play for is rugby. Yeah, that's my goal that I want to achieve. I want to see myself on not on TV because I've been on TV before, channel 219. Yeah, I've been there. Yeah, I want to see myself traveling all over the country.
Okay, meaning your goal is to become a rugby player, a professional rugby player.
Yeah.
Maybe playing for Mabokoboko.
Yeah.
Okay, the South African team.
Yeah.
And the Free State team, the Cheetahs.
Yeah, the Cheetahs.
Okay. So, how is your progress or your team's progress?
My team's progress is we are still coming. We are not yet solid, but the team is still coming great. Yeah. Yeah.
Wonderful.
Yeah.
So tell me, what is that you wanna see, or you wanna be a rugby player? Then I know.
Yeah.
So apart from sports, what do you wanna be?
I wanna be a IT after school. Yeah.
Yes.
After matric or
Yes.
yeah. After I wanna do IT specialist and I wanna also be one day interviewing people like this. That's my goal.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, meaning you wanna be a presenter one day, and then yeah. So that's all what we were having for you viewers at home, meeting with people who really make a difference in our life. Our main goal is to see that we grow and we really grow the industry with young people like this. Subscribe with Mohaladitwe Broadcasting on YouTube. Thank you.